Hymnal committees have always revised hymn texts for better and for worse. If you're a musician or tunesmith who wants to retune an old hymn with your original music, you must learn the difference between for better and for worse. Here are a couple clear cases for changing hymn lyrics. Hymn writers of the 18th century sometimes wrote of the bowels of God. In those days, bowels meant the same thing we mean when we talk about the heart, that deep-seated place within you where your passions reside. To feel something within your bowels meant to feel it with every fiber of your being. But today it just means you probably ate a little too much fiber. Our hymn-writing forebears expected that their lyrics might need revision sometimes, even in their own day. In the preface to his book, Hymns and Spiritual Songs, Isaac Watts wrote, "What is provided for the public worship should give to sincere consciences as little vexation and disturbance as possible. Where any unpleasing word is found, he that leads the worship may substitute a better word." End quote. In 1739, another pillar of English hymnody, Charles Wesley, wrote a hymn that has become one of his most enduring. It began, "Hark, how all the welkin rings." Welkin meant something like heaven. Wesley was saying, all of heaven is ringing with the news. A fine phrase if the word welkin would have hung around society, but it didn't. In 1753, George Whitefield turned it into the phrase you're familiar with, "Hark, the herald angels sing." This change stuck, along with Whitefield's deletion of 2 verses. Hymnal committees have considerably revised this popular Christmas anthem, in fact. You'll find other examples from time to time of lyrics containing words that have changed in meaning over the years and no longer make sense in their hymn text setting to modern congregations.